Do not listen to this recording while driving or while operating machinery. Only listen to this recording when you can devote your full attention to relaxation, free from distractions. Find a safe and comfortable space to unwind where you could focus on your own serenity and well-being. Hello, I'm Cheyenne. Welcome to this safe and supportive space where we'll embark on a journey of recovery and transformation together. Take a moment to settle in, getting comfortable and cozy. As we explore the powerful realm of your unconscious mind, you'll discover effective ways to manage stress, find relief, cultivate inner peace, and regain control over your body. For the most immersive experience, I recommend wearing headphones while listening to this meditation. Please note that hypnosis is not a replacement for professional medical treatment or therapy. This script is meant to be a complementary tool to support your journey towards overcoming stress. If you're experiencing severe stress, anxiety, or other concerns, please consult a qualified healthcare professional for proper guidance and support. All hypnosis is self-hypnosis, meaning that the individual has control over their own hypnotic state and can accept or reject suggestions, making it a collaborative and autonomous process. Now, let's get started. For the next few moments, focus on calming your mind by focusing on your breathing. Allow your breathing to center and relax you. Take a long, deep breath in. Hold it for a moment, and exhale slowly. As you release this breath, allow your eyes to gently close and let go of any surface tension in your body. Recall the sensation of drifting off to sleep, sinking deeper into a peaceful slumber, deeper and deeper and deeper. That's right. Remember, you're in control and you can remain in this peaceful state for as long as you desire until I guide you back. No matter how deep you relax, my voice will always be present, a gentle anchor to ensure your comfort and well-being. You'll always feel safe and relaxed, responding positively to these suggestions. So allow yourself to let go completely and drift into a deep, restful sleep, knowing you're secure and supported. Imagine yourself standing at the top of a gentle slope, surrounded by soothing scenery. With each breath, feel your body relax, letting go of any tension or stress. As you begin to walk down this slope, notice the sensation of your feet touching the ground. With each step, feel your body becoming heavier and more relaxed, more and more relaxed, and more calm. Notice the sensation of the air on your skin, the sounds around you, and the sensation of your breath moving in and out. Allow yourself to let go of any thoughts or worries, simply focusing on the present moment. As you continue down the slope, imagine a warm, comforting light beginning to envelop you. The light represents relaxation, calmness, and tranquility. With each breath, allow this light to sleep deeper into your body, filling you with serenity and peace. Your eyelids grow heavy, so heavy. Your muscles relax, so relax, and your mind quiets. Envision yourself standing peacefully beside a tranquil lake, where the warmth of the earth rises to greet your feet. Feel the gentle caress of the breeze as it whispers across your skin, carrying the sweet scent of serenity. Notice the soft lapping of the water against the shore and the warm sunlight dancing across the ripples as the world slows down and peace settles in. With each gentle breath, surrender to serenity's embrace. Beginning at your toes, where earthly roots connect, bring tender awareness to each delicate part of your being. As you exhale, release the whispers of worry, the shadows of stress, and the weight of worriness, allowing your body to unfold like a petal unfurling in the warmth of peace. Envision a warm, golden light cascading down upon you, starting at the crown of your head where wisdom and clarity reside. As this gentle illumination flows through your body, it lovingly releases the burdens of your mind, the weight of your heart, and the tension in your soul, filling you with a deep sense of calm, serenity, and inner peace. Imagine thoughts and worries as ripples on the lake's surface, gently fading away, leaving the water calm, peaceful, and still. Repeat the phrase, I am safe, I am calm, I am relaxed. As you continue to breathe deeply, visualize yourself surrounded by a soothing, protective energy. Feel this energy supporting and calming your mind and body. Remember, you can return to this peaceful place whenever you need to find calm and clarity. You are calm, capable, and in control. You trust yourself to handle any situation with ease. You release all tension and let go of stress. You are strong, resilient, and peaceful. You choose to let go of worries and focus on the present. You are surrounded by calmness and serenity. You breathe in relaxation and exhale stress. You trust that everything will work out for your highest good. You are safe, supported, and guided. You release all anxiety and embrace peace. You are enough. You are worthy. You are calm. You choose to focus on the positive and let go of negativity. You are grounded, centered, and at peace. You trust your ability to handle challenges with ease. You are calm, clear, and confident. You feel your muscles relaxing like a soft, warm hug. You are in control, capable, and strong, handling challenges with ease. Your mind and body are at peace, in harmony and balance. You feel a sense of calm and relaxation spreading through your entire being. In a moment, I'm going to count backwards from 10 to 1, and I want you to awaken 1/10 of the way with each number until you're fully awake. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Totally awake, totally alert. Take one final deep breath in, and when you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Carry this sense of peace and well-being with you. Remember, hypnosis meditation is a process, and repeated exposure can lead to more significant benefits and improved outcomes. Enjoy the rest of your day and share this video with anyone who can benefit from it. Bye now.